Hello, everyone. I just want to talk to you today about the Fit Bounce Pro. Now, I am absolutely 100% in love with the Fit Bounce Pro XL. It is high quality. Listen, I've been rebounding for 27 years. Currently, I own 20 rebounders, entry level, mid grade, and high end. And yes, the high end is the Bellicon with the medium, the strong, and the extra strong bungees as well. This absolutely, out of all of my rebounders that I have, is my go to rebounder for my body. This Fit Bounce Pro is every bit on par with JumpSport and Bellicon at half the price. Rebound Fitness, the company, is a phenomenal company start to finish. They are absolutely 100% stellar. You can buy this Fit Bounce Pro or any of their rebounders, which they are all high quality, in the UK, Australia, Canada, and USA. I'm just going to tell you, I've had this Fit Bounce Pro for 2 years now. This particular Fit Bounce Pro XL comes with a carry case. It folds, it's lightweight, and I literally travel with this all around the world. So if you are looking for a rebounder that you can actually fold and unassemble quickly, this is the rebounder as well. You guys, I can't say enough about it, and I truly mean it. I'm not sponsored by the company. I just have been working with them, with people who ask me about this in reviews. Their customer service is beyond stellar. Highly quick, and they really, really care about customer service. High quality rebounder. This is like jumping on, if I could visualize, like jumping on a cloud. It's like jumping on a cloud. Let me tell you a little bit about me. I'm going to be 53 in September. 53. I've been rebounding for 27 years. I have arthritis in my left knee, so I am wearing compression Fonka pants. I have to wear really high compression pants. And I have arthritis in my L4, L5. Okay, great. Yeah. So I did abuse my body with triathlons and all of that my younger years. So yeah, now I'm feeling it. So I have to have a bounce that is not too firm and is not too soft. I have to have a bounce for my joints, aging joints, that is soft, that is smooth, that is uniform, that is just cushiony. Yes, I have the firm rebounders and my body doesn't like it. Yes, I have the ultra soft. My body doesn't like it. This is the perfect bounce. Let me give you a little bit. I'm 5'5" and I range between 126 and 130 pounds. This goes to a higher max weight capacity. And I just want you guys to know that. You just need to know how much I weigh. That might help. But I just can't say enough about the bounce and the feel and the company, and that it's literally half the price of JumpSport and Bellicon, and it's every bit 100% on par with the company. I just pulled my rebounder back out today because I've been traveling. I've been using my other rebounders for filming, and I got on this and I'm like, ding ding, cha sa 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 zing. Of course. I got on, I'm like, yes, ma'am. This is right where I need to be. When I give reviews, they are authentic, they are real, nobody pays me, and this is what I would put all my family members on. So if I had the money and I had the funds and I'm looking at JumpSport, I'm looking at Bellicon, and I'm within the particular weight range, of course, you have to look at max weight capacity. This is the one I put my loved ones on. Why spend all the money on Bellicon? Why spend all the money on JumpSport when this is suitable? But again, are you looking for a soft bounce? Are you looking for a medium bounce? Or are you looking for a firm bounce? You also have to understand your overall goals when it comes to rebounding. My overall goals is cardio, sculpting, core, big bounce space, and a medium bounce space, because I want to be super kind to my joints, and my joints speak to me and they love a medium bounce. They scream at me when I'm on a really firm bounce, and they don't like the super absorbent soft bounce either. My joints love the medium bounce. So that's how I know. And I get on this one, and my joints, I don't know how to explain it other than it's like just a thing, light, light. This is it. And when you bounce on them, you just kind of know. If you're in tune with your body, you just kind of know. And I just have to say that. So, anyway, if you are just thinking about it, reach out to me. Reach out to me. Join one of my groups, reach out to me in the comments, and let's talk about it. Because let me get you in the right rebounder. If the FitBounce Pro XL is not it because you weigh more, then it might not be it for you. Let me get you in the right rebounder. I'm here to pay it forward. I really hope that this review helped for some of us that are getting older and our joints, the arthritis, everything setting in, the high compression pants, all that good stuff. Until next time, my friend, goodbye.